Alright guys, this is our results. We're currently in 279 drawdown. I've been scaling down my position to watch an ICT, the risk management videos, all this other stuff. I've been scaling down, only down 300. Haven't been using that much of a lot size. I took a bad trade today or yesterday as I showed y'all with gold, and let me show y'all my notion. Studying ICT core content. We took a bad trade. So let me show y'all real quick. So we took a trade February 13th. Today's the 14th, and we wanted gold to go down, but eventually we got stopped out. So let me show y'all real quick. I started using the new 8 cap 180 pips. Holy shit, that is bad. Now that I'm reviewing and back testing it, I'm like, damn, this is I'm straight dog shit trading whenever it does. I just want to trade at night. No, I'm done trading at night. Only New York session. Holy shit, I'm really gonna blow an account like this. Basically, our take profit and our stop loss. I was targeting the old lows. Yeah, I don't know why I'm trading at night, bro. There's no volume. Look at this volume right here. We would have eventually got profit target hit if we actually traded this. If we actually held the trade, I probably would have got stopped out over here or something, man. But I probably would have hit the target. But yeah, I'm done trading at night. I'm only gonna be trading there in New York Open, but I don't even think I'm gonna be trading this week. A bunch of news, and let me show you real quick how the market's moving. Currently in a downtrend, as I can see. For gold, I can tap it. Retail sales at 8:30, and then the next day, the 16th, 8:30. Builder's permit pre and then PPI. But 2 weeks and we're down 279, 1500, 1700. So Rust estimating around 1800 with to make. I actually wanted just to execute one good trade. I don't see any news. So February 14th today, tomorrow we have building permits, and then Canada retail sales for JPY, and then we have Thursday. This is the 14th. We don't have what? 8:30, 16th is what, Thursday? 8:30, February 14th. Alright guys, I'm in. As you can see, I'm in drawdown. There's so much drawdown I'm in. Nothing but bad trades we've been losing. There's so much drawdown I'm into right now. This is our equity balance. We started 15K, now we're losing so much. See the difference? You see the difference? Yeah, okay, yeah. Good. It's our equity. Basically down. We're about to study ICT again. 832.42. 832. But we entered at the wrong time. This is the thing I need to work on, execution. So I need to just be more disciplined whenever I'm executing to get more confirmation. I need to view. I only view like one chart. I'm at school, I'm on my phone looking at the tiny charts on my phone. I wish I could, have multiple charts loaded up, like the Dixie, SPX, Euro, the interest rates, the bonds. I wish I could have those loaded up. But I'm at school, man. I can't. It reached sell side, took it out, swept it. Should have been more disciplined. Waited till it hit sell side and then swept it, took out buy side, and then scaled out around there. That's why I need to forge my discipline, because I be switching in between classes around this time. Maybe take it on my phone, so I try to get in the trade a little too early, and it just doesn't play out, in my favor. So, I need to really start forging my discipline. Alright, we're finishing up 1.4. I know, guys, I haven't started been grinding much. Was back testing, started labeling. I want to get into the 2023 mentorship with the Nawag and Nawdog, something like that. Been seeing it way too much on Twitter. But we did take another demo trade, and we were in profit, but then we lost. So we're down another 289, which is not bad. This is our trade to hit our stop loss twice. We re-entered out of this order block as soon as it saw it going down. Expected price to go down more, and then it just went higher and then took me out. Entered right here too on the first one. Should have scaled out right here, some partials, but I didn't, and I wanted it to reach 1.5. This is 15 minutes, this is 5 minutes, and this is 1 minute. Boom, at 7 o'clock. And it was just a bad trade overall, and I'm about to just finish this and then go on to the other months and finish them, eventually make a new. I took one off of the demo trade. I'm better label it right now, so yeah. Alright guys, I currently want to let you know, guys, that I am currently in this amount of drawdown, 916 for the funded program, and we have to make the next 9 days 280. 9 days as in business days. Today's a Monday. I do not count today, but gonna have 10 days basically today, yeah. But 9 starting tomorrow. So I created this at 10 o'clock. But basically what we have to do, take discipline trade, and basically 20 pips, one lot, but I'm going to scale it up into 1.5, and basically trying to find 20 pips a day, and this is going to be consecutive throughout the day. So basically scalp 10 pips, maybe, 2 lots, 10 pips each trade, and that's basically it. I'm just trying to let y'all know that we have currently studying all ICT, and we're labeling our charts now, and we're not holding back anymore. We need to win, and that's basically it. But we started off on the 22nd, and we finished ICT around the 11th. No, that's when we created it, but we finished it around, I don't know what day it was, but we finished it after a while. This is a mistake I made. He explained it in simpler terms, and I'm thankful for him. I don't watch his videos anymore, but I do see him around in TikTok every once in a while, but I try not to be on TikTok too much. I try to focus on the grind and finishing ICTs. All of his videos, I want to be an ICT student. I want to interact with him on Twitter whenever he's teaching. I want to be fully dependent, and I don't want to be relying on Discord servers and people to help me trade, become a better trader. I think having a group and trading with them is important, but as an individual trader, when you're starting to learn and grow, you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to be looking at Discord, taking signals, signal services and all that. I don't want to be doing that. So I wasn't labeling, as you can see, but I was writing down as to what the market did and what I expected it to do, and I was writing pretty long, hefty paragraphs. We come into this. I took a break from the 1st to the 7th. We got a funded account. I started way too early, but I feel like I've gained a lot of experience from starting it way too early. It made me want to learn more, and it made me want to trade more. My losses would be bigger than my wins. Order block up here, relative equal lows, I think, or highs. We weren't labeling breakup market structure or anything like that. And then we started trading gold. Gold, let me tell you something about gold. Gold is on a different level than anything else I've seen. Gold is probably the most liquidated market. I think I started adding indicators, SMC, Lux Algo, indicators, breakup structure, change of character, equal highs, change of character, equal lows, and it'll tell me the premium and the discount. We did have it for a while, and yeah, we were trading with it for a while. We added the FX sections, and boom, we took it all off, went back to normal. Started labeling the weekly highs and the weekly lows. Opening candle, or the midnight opening candle, yeah. I eventually switched to the midnight, and then we added the SPX, fair value gap, order block, weekly highs and lows, liquidity, buy side. That was the 15th when I stopped. I took a break. After the 15th, I took a break because I kept losing. I started labeling after that. I changed my chart to basically like stages. Stage 1 right here. Stage 2 right here, where I was relying on indicators. Stage 3, basically back to stage 1. So stage 1, again, relapse. Stage 3, the maximum efficiency of me. Boom. Adding everything I can to my chart every single second. We started labeling. This is where it changed my life. And once you start labeling your chart, I feel like you see things and they actually play out, and you're tape reading. And you're like, damn, I could have took this trade, or I could have took this trade. Accumulation, distribution, manipulation. So that was like 3 to 4 handles around there, which isn't bad. I could have held it a little bit more, but it was during school hours and during news too, so I don't feel like really holding it. There's only volume around the New York time. Asian range or the London session doesn't really give it any confluence, and that's what I like. I like, only during New York the big moves happen, and I want to catch them too. But that's basically it. So yes, enjoy. And then I would probably classify this as sell side liquidity, and then probably this as buy side for as of right now. And looked like we had a piece. Oh yeah, this is pretty much a good value over here. That's really trying to retest right now, but as of right now, it probably did retest this fair value gap up here, and I would probably likely see it hit the order block around here. So yeah, reaching that order block would probably be really nice. So yeah, and taking that out if we hit buy side one day. And then we have, I want to classify that as a breaker. Another order block down here, and I just want to say, guys, we're halfway through. We're on 8, basically 1 more episode and we're halfway. And this is all the notes we've taken so far for ICT. I believe ICT will be very proud of me right now, and I'm proud of him as a mentor. This is month 3 and 4. I'm still reviewing core content. I'm not even reviewing core content actually. I'm still reviewing the 2022 mentorship, and then I was reviewing the Market Maker Premier series, Forex Market Maker series, and the Optimal Trade Entry Pattern, and the Mastering High Probability. I still need to edit all these. You know, all these are very important. But lately I've been backtesting. Let this load. It's not even loading. Nothing's loading. I'm backtesting a lot. I'm gonna journal it later today. I'm doing higher time frame analysis more often than shorter, because I feel like higher time frame just brings more confidence. Volume. That was the February. That was not ES. That was that was the Forex and Dixie and all that. The foreign exchange pairs. This is ES right here. It's not gonna load. It's my funded account basically. I stopped journaling right now on the trades I took because I just screenshot them and I put them on my phone, my camera roll, because I'm always on my phone. I'd rather just look at them there. But yes, everything's loading. This May is chart. Okay, yeah. But we're basically on month 5. I want to finish 6 and 7, 8, and then the rest of them probably this week, and then go back and then finish this one. Almost halfway basically. Quick update. Funded. Lost. All the way till March. It's like 4 days. Look at that equity curve, yeah. I don't even see myself reaching it, bro. We're down that much. We failed that. We're basically done for. I think, yeah, if you break one of the rules, you know you can't pass.